Have you ever thought to yourself, what are the elements that make a profitable online personal brand? That is a brand that brings in the bucks. Well, I'll explain what that is using the acronym GREAT C, but before I do, here are some examples of profitable online personal brands. Ryan Reynolds, Mel Robbins, Kim Kardashian, and Joe Rogan. Now here are the elements that make up a profitable online personal brand. Number 1, great content. Anyone that has a profitable online presence 9 out of 10 times puts out great content that has high value. Number 2, revenue streams. Whether it's selling a service, selling a course, or selling tickets to a live event, profitable online brands identify and maximize the various ways that they can make money. Number 3, effective and well thought out strategy. Profitable online personal brands put a lot of thought and effort into the type of content that they put out into the world and how they wish to be perceived by different audiences. Number 4, authority and leadership. Profitable online personal brands know that there's high value in being perceived as an authority on a subject or a leader in a particular field. Number 5, target audience. While they try and reach as many people as possible, profitable online personal brands also keep an eye on their target audience and how best to cater to them. Number 6, consistency. Whether it's in the messaging, the branding, the story, or in the content itself, people who are able to successfully convert their personal brand into dollars and cents know that consistency in those aforementioned things play a huge part in their financial success. Please, before you go, like this video, share it with a colleague, and follow me for more content like this.